Most people get this wrong. They assume all online banks and financial apps are basically the same. But the surprising truth is that SoFi and Chime serve very different purposes, even though they both promise easy money management. Let's start with Chime. Chime is primarily a digital bank. It offers fee-free checking and savings accounts, early direct deposit, and automatic savings tools. You won't believe what happens next. It has features like Roundup Savings, instant transaction alerts, and a secured credit builder card to help build credit. Chime is simple, straightforward, and perfect for everyday banking without worrying about hidden fees. On the other hand, SoFi is more of a financial ecosystem. It includes checking and savings accounts, but it also offers student loan refinancing, personal loans, investing accounts, and even cryptocurrency trading. SoFi's focus is broader, helping you grow your wealth, manage debt, and invest. It also offers perks like career coaching and member events. Here's where most people get confused. If you want a no-frills, reliable banking app, Chime is better. But if you want access to loans, investing, and financial planning tools all in one place, SoFi wins. In terms of APYs, SoFi's savings account often offers slightly higher rates, but Chime keeps things extremely simple and fee-free. In conclusion, your choice depends on what you need. For straightforward banking and easy budgeting, Chime is ideal. For a full financial ecosystem with investing and loans, SoFi is the better pick. Both apps are mobile-friendly, safe, and user-oriented, so you really can't go wrong. You just need to match features to your goals. Subscribe for more honest financial app comparisons to make smarter money decisions every day.